So welcome back to the Typical Crypto Holder, the channel number one, where we're covering up all of the most greatest and resonant crypto news in the one place, where we're talking about Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all of the crypto market, and actually explaining how different news can influence to the price of crypto asset. So hit that like subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and let's get started. So today we're going to talking about Poly network hacker returns $258 million, conducts EMA on how it went down. Traders hope for a new altcoin season now that Bitcoin turned 45k to support. Lattice Exchange provides venue for finding undiscovered cryptocurrencies. It's pretty interesting, I think. And price analysis of some crypto assets in this or the next video. So let's get started. About $258 million worth of stolen crypto assets have been returned so far, and the hacker claims that they are keeping the rest of the funds safe while they negotiate with Poly. So the Poly network hacker has now returned $258 million to the cross-chain decentralized finance DeFi protocol and conducted a question and answer session detailing how the initial hack went down. In what is being described as the largest decentralized finance hack to date, the Poly network suffered a $612 million exploit on Tuesday that saw the hacker steal assets from Ethereum, Binance Chain, and the Polygon network. Tom Robinson, the chief scientist at blockchain analytics firm Elliptic, told Forbes on Wednesday that the hacker has now returned roughly $258 million worth of funds to Poly so far, with $342 million yet to be returned. So basically, we have Twitter. So it's tweet. So I like how the Poly network exploiter is having an MR right now. What a ridiculous space. The attacker stated their willingness to return the stolen funds on multiple occasions, which has led to suggestions that it may have been a white hat hack to tech Poly and expensive lesson about its security flaws. So, however, that view wasn't necessarily shared by Robinson, who stated that the return of funds demonstrates that even you can steal crypto assets, laundering them, and cashing out is extremely difficult due to the transparency of the blockchain. The hacker has conducted an Ask Me Anything using embed messages in Ethereum transactions, and while they appear to be a non-native English speaker, was lost in translation in their grand plan. When asked why they were hacking and why the Poly protocol in particular, the hacker says for fun and because cross-chain hacking is hot. Despite such answers, they then proceed to claim the hack was conducted for noble causes and that they have since been transferring tokens between addresses only to keep them safe. When spotting the bug, I had mixed feeling. Ask yourself, what to do had you facing so much fortune? Asking the project team politely, so that they can fix it? Anyone could be traitor given $1 billion. I can trust nobody. The only solution I can come up with is saving it in a trusted account. Now everyone smells a sense of conspiracy. Insider? Not me, but who knows? I take the responsibility to expose the vulnerability before any insiders hiding and exploiting it, they added. Users on Twitter noted that the hacker was asking for guidance on how to deposit funds into Tornado Cash, which is a centralized protocol that enables private Ethereum transactions. So this is basically the letter that we want to establish communication with you and urge you to return the hacked assets. The amount of money you hacked is the biggest one in the DeFi history. Law enforcement in any country will regard there as a major economic crime, and you will be pursued. It's very unwise for you to do any further transactions. The money you stole are from tens of thousands of crypto community members, hence the people. You should talk to us to work out a solution. Poly Network team. Hacker is literally begging for help. So the attacker was also quizzed on why they had been stealing and swapping some of the stolen stablecoins, in which they responded with, "I was pissed by the Poly team for their initial response." The Poly team posted an open letter to the hacker on Wednesday that urged them to return the stolen assets, as law enforcement in any country will regard this as a major economic crime and you will be pursued. The hacker goes on to say that they urged others to blame me and hate me before I had any chance to reply, and that they had no intentions of laundering the money. In the meanwhile, depositing the stables could earn some interest to cover potential costs so that I have more time to negotiate with the Poly team. So I think it's really interesting news that hacker returns $258. This quite big numbers, guys. So traders hope for a new altcoin season. Now that Bitcoin turned $45K to support. Bitcoin's consecutive daily closes above $45,000 were followed by a 40% rally from Internet Computer, Raven, VGX, and EGLead, leading traders to believe that a new altcoin season is starting. This week, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization bounced back to $1.9 trillion, which was at 1% weekly increase at the highest level since May 20. While the fresh bullish momentum attracts the attention of investors, Bitcoin moved from 33,400 to 45,900, was pretty much in line with the rest of the market. Whether Bitcoin will finally break the 46,000 resistance remains an open question. However, the longer it takes, the higher the odds that altcoins will outperform the leading cryptocurrency. Yeah, I can agree with that actually. So here we have the total crypto market cap in USD median right and Bitcoin dominance left. Source TradingView. So not every altcoin performs similarly, and only 14 of the top 100 from CoinMarketCap outperform Bitcoin by 3% or more. So Internet Computer and others followed Bitcoin's 40% rally. So Internet Computer announced on July 30 that within 2 weeks of its launch, the Flick application reached 700 website deployments. Flick allows one to build websites and front-end for decentralized applications on the Internet Computer blockchain with frictionless hosting. According to the Dfinity Foundation blog, Flick created an alternative open-source gateway to the blockchain so Internet Computer smart contracts data could be freely accessed using regular browsers. Raven coin also became the most profitable coin to mine using graphic cards according to data from whattomine.com, and the network surpassed Ethereum. So Voyager's breakout was caught by the Vortex indicator. Voyager Digital, the company behind Voyager token, acquired crypto trading and payment startup Coinify for $85 million on August 1. Voyager also launched the WebSwap 2.0 and staking portal. So the Vortex store exclusive to Cointelegraph is an algorithmic comparison of historical and current market conditions derived from a combination of data points including market sentiment, trading volumes, recent price movements, and Twitter activity. So as displayed before, the Vortex score for climbed to 90 high on August 3, 3 hours ahead of the 23% price to 3.50. On the other hand, only 6 projects presented a negative performance over the last 7 days. So I think guys it's really interesting. Let me know please in the comment section below what you're thinking, which news you find out for you more excited to find out. So traders hope for new altcoin season, or Poly network hacker returns 258 millions. So let's discuss it. Also please hit that like subscribe button and click on the next video on your screens right now, where you can get even more interesting news about crypto assets and about all of the crypto